poisonous. It's poisonous. What is love without the passion? I never really had it, my daddy made me a bastard. Straight Henny out the bottle, never pass it. I feel like my feelings is falling like it's a casket. Ashes to ashes, the Duchess made us masters. Smoking on a spliff to forget the shit that matters. Love is blind and it forces you to the masses. Just to get the grip of the shit, it's something magic. A little breezy will rub you like you a genie after. She get you greasy and suck you like a Linguini package. Shit. The moral of the story is to never trust a shorty unless she doing something for me. Let us. I got a fetish for fucking females who 40 cows, 40 hammers, be fucking you like an orgy. Mama told me, if they too close, get them up off me. Get your peanut on roast for being plain old salty. It's funny how my heart come and haunt me. It's funny how my brothers came and taught me. You never got it made until it's soft. Be the only thing poisonous was love that you brought.
Luxurious life lessons, there's lust in my lavish taste buds. I make drugs while most people 9 to 5 for a pay stub. No fake love, no funny handshakes, no awkward convos. This cons flow is based on missing bodies and John Doe's. My 9 blows, the rate of crime grows. Watch how your spine fold. Time goes, I realign foes, burners and blindfolds. My mind cold, hard as a glacier, pardon my nature. I'm poisoned, so I question if really God was my maker. I was starving for paper, hunger pains, thunder rain, tons of flame, ransom, leading role in the Hunger Games. Yeah, the ways of the streets got to him, shots to him, he hooked up the cables.
Yo,
it ain't optimal.
In my lonesome, I tortured dad rash, drowned him in Windex, crushed their heads flat. I'm a product of, we never dead that. Hood rat rockin' the fake Versace head wrap, bodega version. Treat my mom the gourmet Sabazi is Persian. Jerk fist with one hand, always rob the front man. I ran some ran, a ransom, one van. Pain I mad dark in my mind, so quick I aim and let all 17 out the sting fly through your brain and neck. Ain't famous yet, stuck in the cycle, they made to fuck me. Guarded the guard, kill my brother, let it crack and cuff me. Spit a shell, nigga tell, hit a jail, get a cell. Send a kite, this your mail, blow trial, sent to hell, they tilt the scale. Look how they cheat us, mentally beat us. The worship of white Jesus, poison the food they feed us. Our history hidden secrets, media mislead us. Dissect what's in your speakers. You ever look the corpse in the eye? I was poisoned like Flint water supply. I spit pain at it dark in the sky, then record it. You gotta know what makes the poison to destroy it.